Linking your bank account to Neteller is a straightforward process that allows you to easily transfer funds. Follow these steps to successfully connect your bank account. Step 1. Create a Neteller account. If you don't already have a Neteller account, visit the Neteller website and sign up. Fill in the required personal information and verify your identity as prompted. Step 2. Log into your Neteller account. Once your account is created and verified, log into your Neteller account using your email and password. Ensure that you have access to your account for the next steps. Step 3. Navigate to the bank account linking section. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed and breaches without people even realizing it. Use SOC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Enter your bank details. You'll be prompted to enter your bank account information, including the account number and routing number. Make sure to double check the details for accuracy before submitting. Step 5. Confirm and verify your bank account. After entering your bank details, Neteller may require you to confirm the link through a verification process. This could involve small test deposits made to your bank account. Follow the instructions provided to complete the verification. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account should be successfully linked to your Neteller account. You can now easily transfer funds between the two.